Kia ora te whānau, Grant Whitbourne here from Starting In Te Reo Māori. Welcome. If you haven't already, and it is the first time you've ever seen this page, then please hit the subscribe button down below. I really need you to do that because I've got tons of new videos coming just for you, just to help you on your journey in Te Reo Māori, and I don't want you to miss a thing. All right, today we're going to be looking at a little whakatauki, a little saying, and it goes, he haere mata ngaro. Now, I put this out to the Facebook page throughout the week, and I asked people what they thought it meant before I actually gave the meaning, and there was quite a few different responses. So tonight, I'm going to share what the meaning of that is. Now, I've pulled this from my new favourite book, Ngā Pēpea o Ngā Tupuna. That's probably back to front for you, but that's okay. It's full of all these beautiful sayings, 2,500 of them. So this is just a little one that I pulled out. He haere mata ngaro. The source, unknown. A hidden face traveling. Haere meaning to go. Mata, face, ngaro, hidden. A hidden face traveling. Traveling incognito, secretly, without ostentation, or with a low profile. This is applied to a person who does not want to be noticed. And that's it. He haere mata ngaro. It's a nice little one. Like I said, my new favorite book. And so I'll definitely be sharing a few more of these. So if you're watching this and it is past 2017, maybe it's 2018, 19, 20, 30, who knows, sometime in the future, the Kiwis have just been booted out of the Rugby League World Cup. They were the favourites, maybe not the favourites, but they were up there as the favourites, repping their jersey tonight. They did get beaten, which was very unfortunate. 2-4 by Fiji, which no one expected. And I just thought that this would be such an appropriate thing for them because all those 17 players plus the coach, they would probably be taking a very low road at the moment, taking the low road, keeping a very low profile. He haere mata ngaro. So if you see Kidwell, you see Johnson, you see Blair out there on the street, you can just look at them and say, he haere mata ngaro. Very disappointing, but that's rugby league, so it is what it is. Anyway, use that where you can. If you see someone, being a little bit quiet, just want to sort of move through life without making too much of a ruckus, just trying to keep a low profile, that's a very appropriate whakatauki for you to use.